the game. It's a rich thing.
Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that will make your life easier when it comes to sending emails with ServiceNow. We'll be diving into the world of MailScript today, and showing how you can use MailScript to set CC and BCC recipients. So now you must be wondering, right? What exactly is ServiceNow MailScript? Well, let me break it down to you. ServiceNow MailScript is a powerful tool within ServiceNow platform that allows you to play around email related tasks, such as sending, receiving emails, passing email content, and trigger action based on the email events. It's a game changer streamlining your email workflow. You can also add CC, BCC, and also you can create a body, dynamically from the script over there in the email script. So without first wasting further time, let's get started. So as you can see on my screen, this is my personal development instance, and currently I'm on UTA release, my personal development instance. And in order to get started, right, we need some target table. On that particular target table, we need some notification. So as always, we'll be targeting to the incident table only, because that's our favorite table. So we'll go to the incident and look for some notification which we can play around, right? So I will just go ahead and I will just configure, and let's go to the notifications. So we have a notification out of the box called incident commented for ITL. Let's see what exactly it's doing. So basically this notification is getting triggered if we go to when to send. It's getting triggered to whenever the additional comments is added, on the incident. And who will receive it out? So currently it's only to the caller. So whenever the caller of the incident gets this notification, perfectly fine. So now let's get started. So whenever we add a additional comment to this notification to the incident, this notification will get triggered. Let's give it a try. So I will just go to incident.list. Let's find our first target record. So let's go with this, and it has system admin. Let's make it able tutor. Start us able tutor, because caller is must, right? And we will give additional comment as test1, and we will save it out. So now you must be thinking how we can verify whether the email got triggered or not. So it's pretty easy. If you go to the filter navigator and search for emails, so under system logs you will be finding the model called emails. If you go over here, you can see the last trigger notification. Oh, it didn't trigger. Why? Let me refresh it out. Just now. Perfect. And you can see we have the recipient as this is my email ID, which I configured for able tutor, and the blind copied and copied is empty. If you are unable to see these fields blind copied and copied on this email record, you have to just configure the form and get the fields on the form, because out of the box these are not present on the form. So let's try to put some information on this. So for this, as I stated, that we have to create a mail script. How we can create a mail script? So what you have to do, go to filter navigator, type email script, and you will get under system notification emails, you have notification email script. So let's create one. So I will give new. We have to give it the name. Let's give it a name as TechnoMonk emails. And then you can start writing the script. So as a part of this mail script, you have multiple input parameters which you can play around. Run mail script, there's a function which has will be the current object. For instance, we are calling it from incident table, right? So incident current object will be over here. Then we have template, we have email, and so on, right? But we'll be focusing on CC and BCC for today. So let's work on the first scenario out. Let's CC some hard-coded user. So what I will be doing, what is the syntax for it? So it's pretty easy. You have to do email dot add address, okay, and you have to give CC and BCC is the two, right? So I will copy CC. Then the next attribute we have to give is the email ID on which you want to add to CC. So I will just give TechnoMonk123, which is my official email ID, gmail.com. I know it's kind of weird. And then you have to provide the name of that recipient. So I can give any name you can give. You can give TechnoMonk. Okay. So this is good. And we will save this out. Now there should be one question coming to your mind that we have created a mail script. There is no reference to notification from this mail script, right? How this will get related to each other, right? Good question. So what you have to do, you have to call this, you have to configure this mail script on the notification. So we will go to the notification, okay, and we will see how we can call the email script from the notification. So you can go to what it will contain, okay. There will be email body, right? Over there you can simply, the syntax is dollar curly braces, you have to type mail underscore script colon and the script name, which is TechnoMonk events. That's it. You are done calling it out. Okay. So let's save this out and let's give it a try. So we'll go back. I know I play a lot around this tabs, right? But I guess you will get the gist of what I am doing, right? So I will just add a comment again. I will give test2, and this time we are expecting that it should get to caller email plus the email ID which we have configured. Okay. So I will do Control S. If we go to emails now, created on today. So it must have created a record. Yeah, it created. And now we can see we got copied also. Perfect, right? And it's pretty easy also. Pretty nice, right? Now you must be thinking, we have given the hard-coded values, right? Okay, can't we make it dynamic? Definitely we can make it dynamic. So let's make it dynamic. So the first step what we can do is, like, we will go to the email script. Where is that email script? Yeah. And let's try to send the notification to callers manager because it makes sense also, right? So what I will do, I will just give variable caller manager equal to, as I've told that we have access to current object, right? So it will be current dot caller underscore ID caller ID underscore, it will reference to the caller object, right? Use object. We have to go to the manager for it, so it's manager and dot manager, and managers we want email ID, right? We don't want entire object, so we can go to email. Okay, that's it. It will give the email ID for the manager, and then we can replace this out, this TechnoMonk thing, okay, which is really, I don't like this, removing my own email ID, and we can give caller manager over here. And that's it, done. And now whenever an incident is called, this record should send the notification to its manager's email ID. Okay, so let's first verify what email ID should go over there. So I will go over here, incident. So who is able tutorial manager? Sorry. Yeah, I got it. Who is able tutorial manager? It's Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so the mail should go to Abraham Lincoln. Okay, if it has email, let's verify that also. So Abraham Lincoln has email, my email. That's nice. Everywhere I can see my emails. Okay, so let's I test 3 with dynamic CC. Okay, Control S. The record got saved. Now, oh, I think I'm popped. because I've lost the navigator bar. And over here we have to go to history, emails created today, last email just now. Didn't came. Why? This is the last one. Just now. Let's go back to the incident. What went wrong? Let's verify notification once. Where's that notification? This looks good. Something got missed over there to the email script. Let's see. It's current dot caller underscore ID dot manager dot email. It looks good. What happened to this? It looks good for me. Okay, let's go back and try it one more time. Test 4, Control S. Now it went to Abraham Lincoln email ID also. I don't know what happened last time. Okay, so we can see CC and BCC is there. Now let's look into some tough scenario. Okay, so for instance, if you want to BCC the entire watch list, right? Can you do it with the mail script? Definitely you can do it with the mail script. How? Let's work on that. So what you can do, we will go to email script only, the TechnoMonk email script, and here let's add that logic. Okay, so let's make some validation. So first of all, we have to see if is there anything in the watch list or not. So if not current dot watch underscore list dot nil. If it's not nil, then only we'll proceed with this, right? Else we don't want to do anything, right? Then let's get the, as you know, it will be a comma separated IDs over there, right? So we will give variable watch list users equal to, I will just copy from here, current dot watch list dot, as you know, it's a comma separated, right? So we can simply do split with comma, right? So we will get array out of it, right? So you can simply user, you can give it array. Okay, split will give you array as an output. Now we can simply do the glide record. Okay, iterate through this list, iterate through this array, right? So we can do variable use gr user is equal to new glide record and it will be to user table. So it will be sys underscore user, sys user, and in this we'll be adding Jia. Oh, it's loading. I can type faster than that. Jia user dot add query, and that query will have sys IDs, right? So sys underscore ID is you can give watchlist user array. Now we can add some more validations, right, which are required on the user table. Okay, you will be asking what validation, right? What if user is inactive? Do you want to send the notification to him? No, right? So let's add those validation also. So what we can do, I will open some record out. Okay, and I have SNUTs installed in my browser, right? So I can do a couple of things. So first is like it should not be active should be true. Okay, apart from that, let's see, there is a checkbox, right? And let's add this only for now. Okay, I will just go to act equal to true, copy query, and we can go back. To the script. Did I lose the script? Hopefully no. So yeah, we have the script. And I can also do GI user dot add encoded query. You can also do a lot of things around it, right? Because there is a notification flag. If it's true or not, you can check. Okay, it's a choice value. Okay, also you can check if email ID is empty or not. It should not be empty, right? And so on. But I will just, for time being, I will just give it this like this, and then we can do GI user dot query if any user exists. Okay, so for that we can use while loop, while GI user dot next. What we have to do, we have to add it to the CC, right? So what is the syntax for BCC now? Let's try for BCC. So you can simply copy this out, and I will paste it out to the shift tab. And instead of CC, you can simply do BCC. Okay, BCC. What will the email ID over here? So it will be GI user dot email. And what will the name for it? It will be GI user dot get display name. Works for you, right? So I think it's configured. Now we can save it out and let's try to add some couple of people to the work nodes. So I'll go to the history. Let's open the incident record. Let's add a couple of people. Not myself. Okay, my bad. And let's, sorry, we can do star, and I will add 4 or 5 people. I'm not pretty sure who are active, who are not. Okay, and I can save this out first, and then we will add the additional comments. So we have this many users. Now the recipient should be the caller, the CC should be the manager, and BCC should be this vastest people, right? So we do test final, and if I save this out, if I go to history, from history if I go to emails, that emails created today, it created 8 minutes ago. Only. Let's go to let's go to incident once. What? So let's add comment, okay, to this particular. So let's do it. Test 11, and if I save this out, okay, let's go to the emails and see if we got something over there. So if I go emails created on today, you can see the record, and here we can see now we have recipient, line copy, and CC also. So this is how you can use the email script, okay, to add CC BCC to your email, okay, to your email, and extend your reach of the emails, right? Okay. So I hope you like this video, okay. If you liked it out, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified, okay, whenever I am adding new videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.